Sounds of Motherhood. Crying first sound, sheer delight. Crying then throughout the night. Cooing, giggles, babbling fun. The sound of little feet that start to run. Words, amazement that first one. Then two, then three begin to come. Shouting, playing, feet pattering. Voices constant, endless chattering. Now deeper talk and heavier things. Teenage voices, phone that rings. Talking all through the night. Listening, want to get it right. Then suddenly, way too quick. Deafening silence, heavy and thick. Hangs in the air of missing noise from when I was a mom of a little girl and boys.